Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will review on Zebronics ZebMonk wireless active noise cancellations earphones. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Active noise cancellation for less than 3,000 rupees. Affordable audio brand Zebronics has been around for a long time and has a strong position in both the online and offline market with a presence on e-commerce retailers and in small electronic stores. The company seems to have a good idea of what works in India and what does not, particularly when it comes to affordable audio products such as headphones, earphones, and speakers. One of Zebronics newest products in India, the ZebMonk wireless in-ear headset priced below 3,000 rupees. Although although there are plenty of neckband style phone options at this price, what makes the ZebMonk special is the inclusion of one key feature, active noise cancellation. This is among the most affordable wireless headset I will come across with ANC, and I will be keen to see just how will the ZebMonk works considering its price, design and build quality are less than ideal on the Zebronics ZebMonk. There was a time when affordable wireless earphones were pretty basic, but the last couple of years have brought us some impressive options that offer great design and build quality even on a budget, such as the OnePlus Buds wireless Z. The Zebronic Zeb Monk does not quite match up to those standards. This is a quite an ordinary looking pair of earphones with plain dull plastic on the earpieces and neckband. The Zebronic Zebmonk feels a bit cheap to hold and no touch, and even the Zebronic logo on the left side of the neckband seemed to be fading before I had even started using this headset. The earpieces latch together magnetically, but this is only for easy storage and does not control the power as on some headsets. Although it looks and feels ordinary, the ZebMonk is a comfortable headset with a decent fit and good passive noise insulation. The right side has physical buttons for power and activeness cancellation, a touch sensor that controls and the volume, and a micro USB port for charging. This is quite disappointing considering that many options that cost much less now come with USB Type-C. The sales package includes a total of three pairs of silicone ear tips and charging cable. The touch sensor for volume adjustment is strangely complicated to use. A double tap increase the volume by one small increment at a time, while touching and holding the sensor quickly lowers the volume. This was confusing and quite frustrating to operate, and the ZebMonk would have been better off with regular buttons to change the volume. The ZebMonk uses Bluetooth 5 for connectivity with support for only the SBC codec. There are 12 dynamic drivers, and the headset is claimed to be splash proof but does not have a listed IP rating as mentioned. There is active noise cancellation on the earphones. I was able to Able to use the Zebronic ZebMock for around 6-7 hours. Mixture uses on a single charge.